Okay. Good job. Be gentle. Perfect. Ooh.
They're starting to get their feathers on their wings.
Good. Perfect. Don't squeeze.
Whoa. That dude really wants to go now. Dude.
Want to try to pick one up? Pick this one up. Oh, you're fine. Go ahead.
There's only 2 left. It'll be easy.
No, I don't.
Good job.
Well, these buddies really want to go in now.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Good.
Those all home.
All done.
Count them. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can't like see them. I can't count.
There's too many, huh?